guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from Popexo Fashion.
So our special guest today is Shrishti.
Hi.
Shrishti is one of our lifestyle editors, and let me tell you one thing. She keeps a track of all the TV celebs and their colorful lives.
Talking about TV celebs, do you know Crystal has replaced Hina Khan as the vamp in Kasauti Zindagi Ki 2?
I didn't know that. And you guys know what I meant. But you know, Shrishti, I sometimes feel bad for these poor celebs. They're forced to wear such gaudy clothes in their shows. So events are probably the only place where we can actually see their personal style.
And that's absolutely so true. And to tell you, Palina, I've been so excited to do this episode of Crush or Crash because we'll be finally talking about my favorite people.
So we're going to talk about what our celebs wore to Gold Awards in this episode of Crush or Crash.
So here we see our OG Nagin wearing a stone grey Manish Malhotra, and can I say that I'm actually digging the look?
I agree with you. Even I really like what Moni is wearing.
We all know that Moni's made it big in the TV world and now she's moved to movies. So I like how her style has changed over the years and it's become more refined and more graceful, and it sort of suits her personality as well.
She carries it.
I really like her makeup as well. It's light, it's dewy, and I wish she's wearing earrings or something because it's taking away from the gown for not having accessories.
You know, I just feel like thoda sada bare ho gaya. Like, I agree that she wanted to keep her look very minimal because she already had such an embellished top. But yeah, studs could have been better. She's gone for a dull grey, so she's kept the lips red as a statement. The makeup's dewy, the updo looks amazing. And Moni is completely rocking this look. I'm very sure you've seen it. You've watched Nagin.
I'm not going to.
Why is the plot the same? I know it's not a fashion question, but I really want to know if that Nagin is इच्छाधारी and she can kill that guy सिर्फ डस के मार सकती हो, तो शादी करके family बढ़ाकर क्यों ही आपको plot
I
करना है?
wish I could know, but like there are people like me out there who love and live for the 9 p.m. slot. So I'm glad she's kind of doing it. So can we say that we're both like crushing on this one? Like
Totally. Crushing this look, Moni.
crushing it, absolutely.
Oh my god, your Hina Khan is here. Poor woman, she got replaced by Crystal D'Souza.
That she did, like, I can't help that. Like,
But do you feel bad for her? Do you think she
No.
would have made a better vamp though?
maybe she would have made a better vamp. Like, did you see the storm she kicked up in Bigg Boss house? She was so hated because of that.
You know, actually, when I have seen a couple of episodes, actually I have seen that season of Bigg Boss,
Yeah.
not like all episodes. But it was a different persona altogether, like what she was playing in the TV show that she used to do from what I saw.
She was not the character of Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai anymore. I'm sorry, she was not the Adarsh Bahu anymore.
But yeah, coming back to her outfit, I don't mind the outfit. I like the gown, the feather detail, the color is also nice. I have a problem with the gelled hair and the lip and the big earrings. And this is exactly what Moni didn't do. When you have too much happening on your outfit, you can sometimes go subtle somewhere. You know, it could have been a more elegant hairdo maybe, the gel look, you put in effort. Then the dark lips, then she has drop earrings. For me, this is such a busy area. Like, I just feel it's too much. It's an overkill. For me,
Can I
it's an
point
overkill.
out one thing that I found really odd? The placement of the straps is very off. Like, it's not...
Yeah, it's like falling.
It's
like,
falling.
I don't
It's
know
very,
if it's a...
It's very awkward,
Yeah,
if
that's
I
true.
may say. And
So is the pose.
so is the... But I'm sure, like, she might have pictures in better poses as well.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, keeping that aside. True.
But if you take out her gelled hair and the straps, I think she's kind of... The outfit is pretty cool actually.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said. I don't have a problem with the outfit. Without strap, better. With strap, okay. But the gel hair and the earrings are just killing it for me. Like, not in a good way, but killing it for me. So with the look, I'd say I'm like halfway, not crushing it or crashing it. So I'm gonna be like there. Like, this is my not crush, not crash.
I'll say I'm crushing it minus the hair. So basically, I'm kind of like crushing it only.
Okay, so I'm going to be here and she's
I'm going to be
definitely hitting
here.
the heart. Okay, Shivangi Joshi, you're Hina Khan's daughter.
And she's clearly following her mother's footsteps with this outfit.
फुटस्टेप छोड़ो, फुट पे क्या पहना है? आई कांट टॉलरेट इट. ये बॉम्बे की, आई एम लुकिंग एट हर, आई एम फीलिंग हॉट. Like the foot
It's
has gone up till the thigh.
Her relationship with the outfit should be ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है only. She should not wear it again. She should fire the stylist. I'm not even sorry for saying that actually.
I don't know. You know, it's like लहंगा बनते बनते मैं कुछ और बन गई.
अच्छा.
I mean, नेवल दिख रही है, फिर स्लिट है, फिर नीचे ट्रेन है, ऊपर तो ब्लाउज पहना है, फिर नीचे ग्लैडिएटर्स ही पहना है. It's like लहंगा का दुपट्टा she's forgotten because who shows, like if it's a crop top and a skirt, it's not like appealing to show your navel. I just feel like it's just a little tacky.
High waist works better.
Yeah. I mean, midriff, just show off your midriff. I mean, I like her hair, the way she's kept her makeup, the neckline of her crop top, the boat neck is looking really nice. The sleeve, everything's perfect. The shoes and the skirt, the train.
No. Okay, I'm admitting it on camera, but I do watch Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, still watch it. She has very bad fashion sense even on that. Like, she's not wearing amazing clothes there either.
Really?
At least Hina was wearing some good stuff, or she wears good clothes in real life and she's messed up once. But I have never seen Shivangi dressed
I don't know, but
very impeccably.
I really do
We
not
know.
like this outfit, and there's not much to talk about this, so I'm crashing it.
Totally crashing it. Oh Palina, this is the literal embodiment of आज blue है पानी पानी. ये कितना blue है?
मेरे लिए तो ये कपड़े की बर्बादी है. इतना wastage. It looks like she took a thong, draped it around her body, and she wore a cape over it. Like, oh, this is fashion.
Okay, so basically,
This is couture.
let's start from the beginning. We have Surbhi Channa in an aqua blue gown with a cape and a lot of other things happening on her outfit. Like literally lot of other things happening.
I don't know, the cape's too disturbing and something underneath.
डिजाइनर ने सोचा कि अभी क्या ट्रेंड है, रफल्स ट्रेंड है,
वो डाल
केप
दो,
ट्रेंड
डाल दो।
है एंड
स्लिट ट्रेंड है.
स्लिट ट्रेंड
वो भी
है.
डाल
तो
दो।
एक आउटफिट में हम सब कैसे डालें, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली आर प्यारी अनिका फ्रॉम इशकबाज इज लाइक द बेस्ट पर्सन आउट देयर ऑन टीवी.
Thank God her hair is tight though. Otherwise बाल खोल रही थी तो उसके बाद तो इतना बिजी, शायद मेरी आंखें ऐसे से हो रही थी कि वो फ्लिकर करती मेरे लिए. Is it just me or she looks like a peacock? Just bleached out. She looks like a bleached peacock.
So
Yeah.
you know what we feel about this. We're totally crashing
Crashing
it.
the look. Nia Sharma, Asia's second sexiest woman.
Clearly.
Anya. एक इसका what is the TV show that she works in?
Wait, I know the name. इश्क में मर जावा.
ये आउटफिट देख के मैं भी मर जाऊँ. I want to मर जाऊँ right now.
मर जावा, मर जावा.
You know, I feel like अभी spaceship आएगा. निया शर्मा ऊपर आओ, ऊपर आओ. What is she wearing? What is
Listen, she's wearing a diaper. She's wearing a diaper.
this? With a leotard.
She's just like, आज कुछ भी हो सकता है, आज prepared जाएंगे.
I can't stop. Like, what is that? Shit, Indian version of Beyonce.
मतलब you mean गरीबों की Beyonce?
And the most irritating is she has like these weird fall strings hanging. Like,
I thought of something. She's not Beyonce. She's Beyonce. No, please.
and तुम्हें उस मच्छरदानी के थ्रू वो पिंक हील्स दिख रही है.
Listen, अच्छा ठीक है, सब ठीक है, सब ठीक है. हम outfit accept कर लेते हैं, but pink heels.
तुम्हें बाल अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
Makeup भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा.
तुम मजाक कर रही हो मेरे साथ. Even the layering that they tried in the bottom of the skirt,
Yeah.
it looks like a butterfly के wings देखें. It's like a butterfly effect that's happening, which is not cool. Look at that.
Why is the gown high neck? Why is the gown high neck? क्या छुपा रहे हो? क्योंकि सारी legs तो दिखा दी.
Legs के ऊपर भी कुछ नहीं है, bro.
क्या छुपा रहे हो? ऐसे
It's a swimming costume leotard with a keyhole. Then the sleeves has bell, collar has embellishment. Then you have these hot pink heels to get the color blocking done, and the
True.
Richard Gere streaks.
There used to be a trend where men would have spikes and their spikes would be colored.
Ah, the spray paint face.
Ah, it looks like that.
Tushar Kapoor had it for a very long time.
Dil ding dong ding doling. That song. Oh my god.
He
That
had-
song's coming back to me.
He had like golden spray here.
और ऐसे ऐसे एक दो बाल खड़े हैं और उसमें गोल्डन We're very sorry, Nia, but we're not sorry.
So are you telling me this is a ding dong ding bole dil
दिल
inspired
कुछ
look?
भी ना बोले, दिल बोले घर जाओ. दिल बोले घर जाओ.
So clearly the Asia's sexiest woman couldn't do it. It's. I think we should. 1 minute.
2 minutes of silence
2 minutes of silence.
for her outfit. Okay.
We can do it like that.
We can do it like that. So we're totally crashing that look.
मैं तो बोलना भी नहीं चाहती.
So while we go and watch another episode of Nagin 3, which you're watching with me by the way this time, why don't you tell us what you think about the looks in the comment section below.
Also, please like this video. And before we go, we have to tell you about our amazing Popexo shop where you can find some amazing stuff. Coffee mugs, phone covers, laptop covers and a lot more. The link is in the description below. So click and go crazy shopping. And for more styling tips and tricks, keep watching Popexo Fashion.